Today we are going to discuss the some maths term 1 sample paper test number 4 which was conducted yesterday. So let us start with the first question. If the perimeter of a semicircular protractor is 36 centimeter, then its diameter is dash. So we know the perimeter of semicircle of radius r is given by half circumference plus diameter, that is pi r plus 2r, right? Now we'll substitute the value of pi r. Now this is given 36 centimeter. We'll substitute pi r plus 2r with 36. Now substitute the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Now take LCM here. If you take LCM, you will get 22 r plus 14 r by 7, right? And this will become 36 r upon 7. Now this 36 will be cancelled and we are getting r is equals to 7 centimeter. So we have to find the diameter. So what is diameter then?
14
14
centimeter.
centimeter, right? 2r. And the correct option is option C. Now we are moving toward the second question. Find a quadratic polynomial. The sum and the product of zeros are -3 and 2. Already sum or product दिया हुआ है, right? And that is alpha plus beta is -3 and alpha beta is 2. Now we have this formula. Now directly substitute here, that is -3, here 2. So we are getting x square plus 3x plus 2. So this is the required answer and the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward question number 3. In making 1000 revolutions, a wheel covers 88 kilometer. The diameter of the wheel is dash. So distance covered by the wheel in one revolution, we know that it is circumference, that is 2 pi r. Okay. And the 1000 revolution, for 1000 revolution, the total distance is given. So for one revolution, it will be 88 upon 1000 kilometer. So we can convert it into meter. So that is 88 upon 1000 into 1000 meter. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
This 1000 will be cancelled and it is 88 meter. And this we will equate with the circumference, that is 2 pi r or pi into d. We can use any formula, right? So pi into d is equals to 88 meter. Now substitute the value of pi, that is 22 by 7, right? So if you shift this to this side, it will become 7 by 22. Now 22 88 को 22 से cancel कर सकते हैं. So we are getting d is equals to 28 meter and the correct option is option C. So now we are moving toward question number 4. A lady has 25 paise and 50 paise coins in her purse. If in all she has 40 coins totaling rupees 12.50, find the number of coins of each type she has. So there is a correction in the question paper. यहाँ पे 212 था, उसको 12.50 लेना है. जिस किसी स्टूडेंट का अगर रॉन्ग हो गया इस क्वेश्चन में, so they can add 1 mark bonus, right? So let the lady has x coins of 25 paise and y coins of 50 paise. So according to the question, we will have total number of coins is 40. So we will have x plus y is equals to 40 and the total amount is 12.50. So this is in rupees. So इसको लिखेंगे 1250 जब हम लोग इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे 25x plus 50y, that will be equals to 1250. ओके, ये अभी ऐड किया था मैं, राइट? 1250. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to multiply first equation by 50, right? And then subtracting with second equation. So this is the first equation multiplying with 50. Now we are going to subtract. If you subtract, you will get 25x is equals to 750. So x is equals to 30. If x is equals to 30, y will be 40 minus 30, that is 10, right? And the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward question number 5. The zeros of the polynomial are p of x. Polynomial यहाँ पे आ रहेगा x square minus 10x minus 75. So here the product is minus 75. ठीक है, प्रोडक्ट जो है वो -75 है और सम जो है वो -10 है, s is -10। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 75 का दो फैक्टर जिसका डिफरेंस 10 होना चाहिए, 15 और 5,
15 and 5.
राइट। तो यहाँ पे सारे अगर नंबर्स देखें तो दो ही नंबर है, 15 और 5। तो उससे भी एक क्लू मिल जाएगा कि हम लोग जब स्प्लिट कर रहे हैं तो 15 और 5 होना चाहिए। नाउ द साइन ऑफ सम इज माइनस, सो बड़ा नंबर जो होगा वो नेगेटिव होगा, सो -15 + 5, राइट। सो -15x + 5x, सो व्हाट इज द कॉमन बिटवीन दिस टू,
X.
x, और इन दोनों में
+5.
+5, राइट। सो अब ये दोनों में x - 15 कॉमन है, तो हम लोग को मिल जाएगा x - 15 into x + 5। So when we equate with 0, then we will get x is equals to 15, x is equals to -5. So the correct option is option
Option
C.
C, right. Now we are moving toward question number 6. The points -40, 40, 03 are the vertices of dash. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, तीनों साइड्स निकालेंगे पहले। So let us start with the इसको A ले लेते हैं, इसको B ले लेते हैं और इसको C। So x2 - x1 whole square, that is 4 + 4 whole square plus 0. So we'll get 8 square, ठीक है, 8 square plus 0. So 8 square का square root मिलेगा 8. Now the next one BC, 4 - 0 - 4 whole square plus 3 - 0 whole square. तो ये हो गया 16 और ये हो गया 9, 16 + 9 √25 and that is equals to 5. Now AC, 0 + 4 whole square plus 3 - 0 whole square, या इसको अगर ऐसा लिखें तो -4 0 whole square plus 0 - 3 whole square। तो ये 16 और ये 9 है, the same thing we are getting √25 and that is equals to 5. So here two sides are equal, that means it is an isosceles triangle. So the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward question number 7. If two positive integers a and b are expressible in the form of a is equals to pq square and b is equals to p cube q, where p and q are prime numbers, so then what is the LCM of a and b? We know that LCM is the product of all prime factors involved in the factorization with highest power, right? So p का highest power है 3 और q का highest power है 2, so p cube q square, and the correct option is option C. Now the next question, question number 8. When two dice are thrown, find the probability of getting same number on both the dice. So total number of outcome is 36 and the total number of outcomes with the same number is 6 and the required probability is 6 upon 36, that is 1/6.
5.
And the correct option is option B. Next question, if P is equals to 2, 5, Q is equals to x minus 7 and PQ is equals to 13, what is the value of x? So PQ यहाँ पे 13 दिया हुआ है तो P square हो जाएगा 169. Now PQ square, x minus 2 whole square plus -7 - 5 whole square, and that is equals to 169. When you expand, this will become x square minus 4x plus 4 and this will be -12 whole square, that is 144, right? ये दोनों 148 हो जाएगा, 148 minus 169 -21. So -21 product is negative. Again 21 का दो फैक्टर जिसका डिफरेंस 4 होना चाहिए, 7 3, right? And the sign of sum is negative, so -7 + 3 and the common between these two is x और इन दोनों के बीच में 3 है, right? So x into x minus 3 plus 3 into x into x minus 7 plus 3 into x minus 7. So we'll get two factors, x minus 7 into x plus 3. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को दो वैल्यूज मिल रहा है x का, 7 और -3. अब क्योंकि ऑप्शन में केवल -3 है, 7 नहीं है, इसलिए द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज C. Now the next question, question number 10. The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. The ratio of its side is 2:3. So ये breadth के लिए और ये length के लिए, ठीक है? Find its length and breadth. So let the length be x centimeter and the breadth is y centimeter. तो perimeter दिया हुआ है 40 centimeter and the formula for perimeter is 2 into x plus y, that is 2 into length plus breadth, and that is equals to 40, right? And where we are getting 2x plus 2y is equals to 40. इसको हम लोग 2 से डिवाइड नहीं कर रहे हैं. Now the next is given y upon x. मैंने कहा था ये breadth है और ये length है. क्यों? क्योंकि छोटा वाला जो पार्ट है that is for length breadth and the longer part will be for the length. This is clear. Smaller part is for breadth and the longer part is for length. ये clear है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
ये y by x हो जाएगा. Y by x is equals to 2 by 3. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
you cross multiply, you will get 2x is equals to 3y. That is 2x minus 3y is equals to 0. Now, subtracting these two equations, if you subtract, what you will get? See, minus plus, ये तो 0 है, तो ये दोनों cancel हो गया and we are getting 5y is equals to 40. So y is equals to 8. If y is equals to 8, we'll get x is equals to
12.
12, right? So x is equals to 20 minus 8, that is equals to 12, and the correct option is option C,
Can be.
right? Now we are moving toward the next question. A man steadily goes 10 meter due east and then 24 meter due north. Then his distance from the starting point is dash. So this is the rough diagram. We have to find OB. So we will use Pythagoras theorem, that is OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square, and that is equals to 10 square plus 24 square. 100 plus 576. So we'll get 676. And the square root of 676 is 26. Right. And the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward question number 12. Given that sine theta plus 2 cos theta is equals to 1, then 2 sine theta minus cos theta is equals to dash. So what we will do, we will take the given one, that is sine theta plus 2 cos theta is equals to 1. ये दोनों को आप square कर दो दोनों side. So if you square both sides, it will be in the form of a plus b whole square. So sine square theta plus 4 cos square theta plus 4 sine theta cos theta is equals to 1. Now change this sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, right? And cos square theta as 1 minus sine square theta. इसको change कर लिए. अभी पूरा bracket open करो. If you open the bracket, you will get wait, 1 minus cos square theta plus 4 minus 4 sine square theta plus 4 sine theta cos theta is equals to 1. ठीक है, ये 1 को हम लोग एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. देखो दोनों को एलिमिनेट कर लिए. ओके, 4 को छोड़कर बाकी पूरे को राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करो. इफ यू शिफ्ट ऑल टू राइट साइड, सो ये माइनस 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा हो जाएगा, एंड माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा हो जाएगा, एंड प्लस 4 साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा माइनस 4 साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा हो जाएगा, एंड दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 4. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is nothing but this is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is 2 sine theta minus cos theta whole square. Now if you take square root, you will get 2. Okay, why? Because 2 sine theta minus cos theta is not equals to minus 2. ये clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, or anyhow we are if suppose we are getting plus minus 2, the option is only 2 is there, so the correct option is P. Now we are moving toward question number 13. The HCF of two numbers is 16 and their product is 3072. Find their LCM. So HCF and product is given. So LCM will be product divided by HCF. So that is 3072 divided by 16. If you divide these two, you will get 192. And the correct option is option C. Next question. The decimal expansion of rational number 77 upon 5000 will terminate after dash place. तो 5000 को सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 5000 we will write in terms of prime factorization. 2 और 5 के पावर में लिखेंगे हम लोग, राइट। सो इसमें 2 to the power 3 आ रहा है और 5 to the power 4 आएगा, ओके। सो द हाइएस्ट पावर इज 4, सो आई टोल्ड यू दैट 2 और 5 का जो भी हाइएस्ट पावर होगा उतने प्लेस के बाद वो टर्मिनेट करेगा। सो आफ्टर हाउ मेनी प्लेस इट विल टर्मिनेट? 4 decimal places, right? Now we are moving toward the next question. If 2p is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A and B, find the value of p. So given points are A and B, and 2p is the midpoint is also given, and we know that the midpoint formula x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2, right? So p जो है वो x y coordinate है, तो we'll take -5 plus 11 by 2, okay, and this will be 6 by 2 is 3, so hence the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward the last question of section A. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting at most one head. At most one head means less than or equals to 1. ठीक है, इसमें एक ट्रिक मैंने बताया था, 0 1 2, दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ हेड्स। अगर दो कॉइन टॉस कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर नीचे 1 लिख लो और बीच में 2, सो हम लोग को केवल ये दोनों लेना है, राइट, दैट इज 3 out of 4. So total number of outcomes are 4, that is HH, HT, TH or TT, and we have to take these three parts, these three outcomes, right, and the required probability is 3 by 4, and the correct option is option C, right. So now we are moving towards section B. First question, that is the 17th one. Which of the following is true if following pairs of equations has unique solution? And what is the condition of unique solution?
A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2.
Very good. A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. So A1 यहाँ पे 3 है और A2 यहाँ पे 2m minus 5 है, and B1 is -2 and B2 is 7, right? So 3 upon 2m minus 5 is not equals to -2 by 7. अब हम लोग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इज -4m plus 10 is not equals to 21. Now shift this 10, subtract both sides by 10, so we are getting -4m is not equals to 11, so m is not equals to -11 by 4, and the correct option is option C. Now the next question, question number 18. The graph of y is equals to p of x is given in figure. For a polynomial p of x, the number of zeros is 1 2 3 4. We will count the number of intersection with the x-axis, right? So the correct option is option A. Now we are moving toward question number 19. If A 2 2, B -4 and C 5 -8 are the vertices of a triangle, then the length of median through vertex C. So this is the rough diagram. Vertex C मतलब हम लोग को CD निकालना है, CD. So first we will find the coordinates of D by using midpoint formula, right? So let the medians through C meets AB at D. So the coordinates of D will be -4 plus 2 by 2 and -4 plus 2 by 2. Both are same. So -2 by 2, that is -1. This is also -1. Now we have to find the length CD. ठीक है, तो CD कैसे निकालेंगे? Using distance formula. So 5 minus of -1, that is 5 plus 1 whole square, -8 plus 1 whole square. So this will become 36 and this will become 49. So root 36 plus root 49 is root 85. And the correct option is option C. Now we are moving toward question number 20. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, find the number of blue balls in the bag. So let the number of blue balls be x and the total number of balls will be 5 plus x. and the probability of blue ball is x upon 5 plus x, and the probability of red ball is 5 upon 5 plus x. This is clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
in the question it is given that probability of drawing a blue ball, that is P of blue ball, is double that of red ball, 2 times of P of red ball, right? So now we'll substitute the value of these two. So we are getting x upon 5 plus x is equals to 2 into 5 upon 5 plus x. So we can cancel these two because 5 plus x is not equals to 0, and we are getting x is equals to 10, and the correct option is option A. Now we are moving toward question number 21. The value of k if the sum of the zeros of the polynomial x square minus k plus 6 into x plus 2 into 2k minus 1 is half of their product. Sum is half of their products. So we will compare this with that is the standard form ax square plus bx plus c. So after comparing, we are getting sum. What is the formula for sum of zeros?
Minus
B
B
by
by
A.
A.
Right. So minus b by a. B is minus of k plus 6. So minus of k plus minus k plus 6 will be k plus 6 only. तो by 1 a का वैल्यू 1 है तो ये हो जाएगा k plus 1 k plus 6. So this is sum and product is c by a ना. So c यहाँ पर 2 into 2k minus 1 है. So upon 1 the same will get 2 into 2k minus 1. Now the sum is half of product it is given. So k plus 6 जो रहेगा इसका half हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ये 2 और 2 को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So we'll get k plus 6 is equals to 2k minus 1. Minus 1 you shift to this side, plus 1 हो जाएगा, and k you shift to this side, it will become minus k. So 2k minus k is k is equals to 6 plus 1, that is 7. And the correct option is option A. Now we are moving toward question number 22. The point which divides the line segment joining the points 7 minus 6 and 3 4 in the ratio 1:2 internally lies in the dash quadrant. So first we will draw one rough diagram, and the ratio is given 1:2. Okay, so we'll find the coordinates of point R, this point. So start कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So m1 m2 into x1 plus m1 into x2, that is 1 into 3 plus 7 into 2 upon 1 plus 2. Next one, minus 6 into 2 plus 4 into 1, yeah, 1 into 4 upon 1 plus 2. So we are getting 14 plus 3 by 3, that is 17 by 3, minus 12 plus 4 by 3, that is minus 8 by 3. X coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative, right? X is positive and y is negative, so it will lie on the fourth quadrant,
Fourth.
right? And the correct option is option D. Now we are moving toward question number 23. The solution of 23x plus 29y is equals to 98. 29x plus 23y is equals to 110 is dash. So these are the two equations. If we add these two, we are getting 52, and here we are getting 208. So 208 is a multiple of 52. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक बार इसको add करेंगे और एक बार subtract करेंगे. So first we will add. Now if you divide all by 52, you will get x plus y is equals to 4. Let it be equation number 3. Now we will subtract these two. If you subtract 1 from 2, उल्टा करेंगे तो यहाँ पे 6x minus 6y is equals to 12 मिलेगा. Now divide all by 6. You will get x minus y is equals to 2. Now we will add these two. If you add, you will get 2x is equals to 6 and x is equals to 3.
3.
And y will be 1. ठीक है, y 1 मिल जाएगा. तो करेक्ट आंसर जो है वो ऑप्शन डी है, that is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. Now we are moving toward question number 24. The figure given shows a rectangle with a semicircle and two identical quadrants, these two, inside it. What is the shaded area of the figure? This part. Use pi is equals to 22 by 7. So what is the area of rectangle? 28 into 23, right? That is 644 centimeter square. Now पूरे रेक्टेंगल में ये सेमी सर्कल और ये दोनों क्वाड्रेंट माइनस करना है. तो सेमी सर्कल का डायमीटर दिया हुआ 28 सेंटीमीटर, तो इसका रेडियस हो जाएगा 14, एंड द रेडियस ऑफ quadrant is this one, and this is nothing but this is 23 minus 16. Okay,
7.
7.
yes, that is 7 centimeter. Now the area of unshaded part we are going to find, right? Area of unshaded part हो जाएगा area of semicircle plus area of two quadrants, right? Half pi r square plus 2 times 1 by 4 pi r square, और इसका इसका r है 14 और इसका r है 7. So we'll get this part. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो यहाँ पे देखो हम लोग कैंसिल कर रहे हैं 14 को 7 से 2. So we are getting 22 into 14 here. So ये भी कैंसिल करेंगे हम लोग. 22 को 2 से कैंसिल कर रहे हैं और एक 7 कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड वी आर गेटिंग 77. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 77 आ रहा है और यहाँ पे 22 into 14, right? So 308 plus 77, 385 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ये हम लोग को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इसमें से, एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल में से. So we are getting 259 and the correct option is option B, right? So now we are moving toward question number 25. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, if AB is equals to 2 times DE and area of triangle is 56 centimeter square, find the area of triangle DEF. So the given that AB is equals to 2 times D and these two triangles are similar, and we know that the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल DEF हो जाएगा AB स्क्वायर अपॉन DE स्क्वायर, एंड AB इज गिवन 2 टाइम्स DE, तो सब्सटीट्यूट करोगे तो 4DE स्क्वायर हो जाएगा एंड दिस इज गिवन 56, राइट? और ये जब सब्सटीट्यूट करोगे तो इट विल बिकम 4. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल DEF विल बी 56 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. इसको इंटरचेंज करेंगे तो so 56 divided by 4 is nothing but it is 14 centimeters. Yes, 14 square centimeter, and the correct option is option A. Now we are moving toward the next question, question number 26. The sum of two numbers is 135 and their HCF is 27. If their LCM is 162, then the numbers are dash. So HCF of two numbers is given 27. So we can take the two numbers as 27x and 27y, or 27a or 27b, right? And the sum of these two numbers, and a and b should be prime number. Okay, a और b जो है वो को प्राइम नंबर होना चाहिए, right? क्योंकि 1 भी हो सकता है इसमें. को प्राइम नंबर होना चाहिए, and the sum of these two is given 135. That is 27a plus 27b is equals to 135. If you divide all by 27, you will get a plus b is equals to 5, right? And the second condition is given, HCF is 27 and LCM is 162, right? And we know that the product of two number is equal to the product of HCF and LCM. So now 27 we can cancel here, or 162 also we can cancel with 27, 6. So a into b हम लोग को मिल जाएगा 6, right? Now a plus b is equals to 5 and ab is equals to 6. So we have one formula, a minus b whole square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay, so यहाँ पे ये दोनों वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे हम लोग. So we are getting 25 and 4 into 6, 24. That is 1. ठीक है, तो a minus b भी 1 हो जाएगा. This is clear. If you add these two, you will get 2a is equals to 6. That is a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 2. Now substitute here. A is equals to 3. You will get 81. And b is equals to 2. You will get 54. So 81, 54. That is C is the. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
ओके फाइन। देखो, अगर ये पूरा सॉल्व करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, यहाँ पर a प्लस बी 5 है। देखो एक मिनट, a प्लस बी 5 दिया हुआ है, राइट, और a इंटू बी 6 है। सो प्रोडक्ट 6 है, 6 का दो फैक्टर जिसका सम 5 होना चाहिए। द फैक्टर ऑफ 6 इज वेरी इजी, द फैक्टर ऑफ 6 3 2 या 2 3। ठीक है, ये क्लियर है। तो ये पूरा सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं, मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना है इसलिए मैं सॉल्व करके दिखला रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो। ओके फाइन। सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. The traffic lights at three different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds, and 108 seconds, respectively. If they change simultaneously at 8 a.m., at what time will they change together again? So here we have to find LCM, क्योंकि जो नेक्स्ट जो जब दोनों एक साथ, तीनों एक साथ जब ट्रैफिक लाइट चेंज होंगे तो वो 108 से बड़ा होगा, मतलब तीनों नंबर से बड़ा होगा। एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू इज मोर देन द गिवन वैल्यूज, दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव टू फाइंड एलसीएम। सो हम लोग फैक्टराइजेशन कर रहे हैं 48 का, 72 का और 108 का। सो 48 वी कैन राइट 16 into 3, that is 2 to the power 4 into 3, and 72 we can write 8 into 9, that is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2, and 108 we can write 27 into 4, right, that is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. So LCM होगा the product of the highest power of the prime factors involved, right, और क्लास 6 के लैंग्वेज में बोला जाए तो the product of the prime factors with highest times of repetition, right, ठीक है। 2 यहाँ पे 4 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है, 3 यहाँ पे 3 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है। So that is 16 into 27. 16 into 27 is 432. So this is clear. So after 432 seconds they will change simultaneously, and 432 seconds हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मिनट और सेकंड्स में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो वी विल डिवाइडेड बाय 60। ठीक है, क्योंकि 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute होता है। So if you divide you will get 7 as quotient and 12 as remainder. So after 8 मतलब 7 minute 12 seconds होगा, तो 8 hours 7 minutes 12 seconds, and the correct option is option A. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 28. If the zero of polynomial 3x square minus px plus 2 and 4x square minus qx minus 10 is 2, the value of 2p minus 3q is dash. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले इसमें 2 सब्सटीट्यूट करके 0 means 0 is given 2, so we can substitute p of 2. Suppose इसको p of x ले रहे हैं और इसको q of x, तो p of 2 is equals to 0 and q of 2 is equals to 0 से हम लोग को p और q मिल जाएगा। उसके बाद फिर इसमें सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे। So first p of 2 is equals to 0, so we are getting 12 minus 2p plus 2, तो ये 12 plus 2 14 हो जाएगा। If you shift 14 to this side it will become minus 14, minus 14 by 2 is 7. Now q of 2 is equals to 0, so this will become 16 minus 2q minus 10 is equals to 0. 16 minus 10 is 6, and plus 6 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करोगे तो minus 6 हो जाएगा। minus 6 divided by minus 2 is 3. So we got p as 7 and q as 3. अब इसमें सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे, 2 into 7 minus 3 into 3, that is 14 minus 9, 5, and the correct option is option B. Now the next question, question number 29. For what value of k do the equations 3x minus y plus 8 is equals to 0 and 6x minus ky is equals to minus 16 represents coincident lines? And for coincident line we know that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2, right? So first we will write the value of a1. a1 is 3, b1 is minus 1, c1 is 8, a2 is 6, b2 is minus k, and c2 is plus 16, right? And a1 upon a2 is 3 upon 6, that is 1 by 2, and b1 upon b2 is minus 1 upon minus k, that is 1 upon k, and c1 upon c2 is 8 upon 16, that is 1 by 2. And we will write the condition first. Now we'll substitute all the values. Now compare these two. If you compare these two, we'll get k is equals to 2, and the correct option is option C. Now we are moving toward question number 30. In what ratio does the point P 25 divides the join of A 82 and B minus 6 9? So एक मैं ऐसे रफ डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ, इसको मैं A भी ले रहा हूँ, A B, ठीक है, और एक पॉइंट ये P है. सपोज द रेशियो इज K:1, K:1, and x1 is 8, y1 is 2, x2 is minus 6, and y2 is 9, and m1 is k and m2 is 1. So we will take any two, you can take either 2 or 5. I am going to take 5. ठीक है. So start करें y. So y coordinate is equals to m1 y2, that is k into 9, and m2 y1, that is 1 into 2 upon k plus 1. Right? So that is 9k plus 2 by k plus 1 is equals to 5. Now cross multiplication. So we'll get 5k plus 5. 5k को यहाँ पे shift करो और 2 को यहाँ पे shift करो. So we'll get 9k minus 5k is equals to 5 minus 2. That is 4k is equals to 3. So k is equals to 3 by 4. And the correct option is option
B.
Option B, right. Now we are moving toward question number 31. The short and long hands of a clock are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter long respectively. Find the sum of distances traveled by their tips in 2 days. So in 2 days, the short hand will complete 4 rounds, क्योंकि वो hour hand होता है. So 12 hours में एक round, another 12 hours 2 rounds. So 1 day में वो 2 rounds complete करेगा. So 2 days में 4 rounds. Okay, and length of shorthand is given 4 centimeter, that is the radius, and we know that in one round it will cover the distance circumference, that is 2 pi r. So 4 into 2 pi into 4, that is 32 pi. So this is the distance covered by the shorthand. Now in 2 days the long hand will cover how many rotation? एक rotation 1 hour. So एक दिन में, yes, 48. In one day 24 rounds. So 48 rounds. So 48 into 2 pi r, that is 2 pi into 6. So ये हो जाएगा 576 pi. And now we have to find the total distance covered by these two. So we have to add these two. अगर दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो हम लोग को मिल रहा है 608 pi. And the correct option is option C. Now we are moving toward the last question of section B. Arjun drew a figure as shown in figure, where a circle is divided into 18 equal parts. He then shaded some of the parts. Take pi is equals to 3.14. Okay, and find the total area of the Arjun shaded. So ये सारे equal parts है ना, ऐसा दिख रहा है ये बड़ा और ये छोटा. Question में equal parts दिया हुआ है. Right, the circle is divided into 18 equal parts. So total angle is 360. So central angle for each sector will be 360 upon 18, that is 20. Now the area of each sector, theta upon 360 into pi r square. So यहाँ पे 20 substitute करो और यहाँ पे 3.14 और यहाँ पे 4 into 4. So 20 we can cancel here. 18 नहीं, यहाँ पे मत कैंसिल करो, एक मिनट, नेक्स्ट में कैंसिल करते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. टोटल 9 शेडेड है. सो 9 इंटू एरिया ऑफ 1 सेक्टर. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
राइट. तो ये 180 टुगेदर में कैंसिल कर रहा हूँ 2 से. सो 2 वी विल कैंसिल हियर. सो 3.14 इंटू 8. सो दैट विल बी 25.12. And this is the correct answer, and correct option is option A. Now we are moving toward the section C, case study question number 1. In one of the residential colony of city, there is a triangular park ABC available. The Resident Welfare Association of the colony wishes to divide this park into two parts of equal areas, one for planting trees and raising a lawn, and the other for providing place for children park for playing activities. One of the members, Ram, suggested to draw a line segment XY parallel to BC for the same. So based on this context, a few questions are there. Which is correct similarity criteria is used for triangle ABC and triangle XBY? See, this is the common angle and these two angles are also equal, corresponding angles, and these two angles are also equal, corresponding angles. ठीक है, तो these two triangles are similar by AAA similarity. Actually AAB होता है but option is not there, so AAA similarity. Correct option is B. Next question, what is the ratio of areas of triangle ABC to triangle XBY? And it is given that these two areas are equal. XBY और ये जो quadrilateral है दोनों का area equal है. That means area of triangle ABC we can write 2 times of this triangle. Okay, now the ratio of these two triangles the ratio of areas of these two triangle is 2/1, and the correct option is option B. Now the third question, if angle BXY is 60 degree, BXY, if this is 60 degree, what is the value of this angle?
60
This is
degrees.
also 60 degree by corresponding angles, right? So now the last question of this case study question, if the ratio of areas of triangle BXY is to triangle ABC is 1:2, right? So then XB is to AB is dash. So it is given that these two triangles are similar. Now we have already proved, okay? And the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So the ratio of areas of these two triangle is equals to AB square upon XB square, right? And the ratio of these two triangle is given 2/1. Okay, ये उल्टा लिखा हुआ है, मैं triangle ABC को पहले ले रहा हूँ. So this is equals to 2/1. So now we will equate these two, and if you take square root AB upon XB you will get root 2 upon 1. इसका फिर reciprocal ले लो, so we'll get 1 upon root 2, and the correct option is option D. Now we are moving toward the last case study question number 2. Suppose a girl is sitting on the balcony of her house located on the bank of a river. She is looking down at a flower pot placed on a stair of a temple situated nearby. On the other bank of the river, a right triangle is imagined to be made in this situation as shown in the figure. If the height at which the person is sitting is known, then the width of the river can be calculated. So this is A, this point is B, and this is C, and this angle is theta. Right, now based on this one question is there. If height of her house is 12 meter and the distance between her house and the river is 5, so this is 5 and this is 12. Okay, so then what will be the value of sine theta? This is theta. So how will you find AC? By using Pythagoras theorem. You know the triplet of 12 and 5 is 13, right? So we'll get sine theta is equals to AB upon AC, that is 12 upon 13, and the correct option is option A. Next question, if the width of the river is 15 meter and angle C is equals to 60 degree, then what will be the height of the building? So we'll use tan 60 degree, that is AB upon BC, right? Tan 60 degree root 3 होता है, और AB हम लोग को निकालना है, और BC 15 दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में. So if you cross multiply, you will get AB is equals to 15 root 3 meter, and the correct option is option D. Now we are moving toward the next question. The value of sine 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree, sine 30 degrees dash. So we'll substitute all the values. What is sine 60 degree?
Root 3/2.
Cos 30 degree?
Root 3/2.
Cos 60 degree?
1/2.
Sine 30 degree?
1/2.
1/2.
Very good. So we'll substitute, then we'll get 3 by 4 here and here 1 by 4. If we add the numerator, because denominators are same, so we'll get 3 plus 1 by 4, that is 4 by 4, and the final answer is 1. And the correct option is option B. Right. So now we are moving toward the last question. If 2 sine 4 theta is equals to root 3, then theta is equals to dash. So 2 sine 4 theta is equals to root 3. So sine 4 theta is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 comes for which angle for sine?
60 degrees.
60 degree, right? Now we'll equate these two angles. So 4 theta is equals to 60 degree. So theta is equals to 60 by 4. So we are getting 15.
degree.
And the correct
15
option
degree.
is option D. So this is the last question of the sample paper. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.